All right, let's talk about how search engines work. Now, I've never built a search engine, so I can only tell you what I know based off of experience, okay? From what I understand about Google search engine is that it is compiled of several different algorithms or formulas that they use to determine what web pages that they want to show here on the search results page. That's interesting because from what we understand is that there are several factors over 200 or even more factors that contribute to how Google decides what websites to show here. But before I get into all of those strategies, at first I want to explain exactly how search engines work. And search engines seem to follow a very simple three-step process. The first process is crawling. Search engines crawl the entire internet every single day. They crawl billions of pages every single day. And the reason why they do that is because they want to analyze and understand every page that exists on the internet. Now, if you don't know what I mean when I say crawl, crawling essentially means that they're analyzing and scanning pages on your website or on your competitor's website or maybe for this publication. And the reason why they do that is because they want to get a good understanding of what the entire internet is about. That way they can, easily show the most relevant results for the queries or keywords that people search for. So if I'm typing in, how do search engines work? They want to make sure that they're showing me the most relevant information possible. So I'm just typing that in. And so based on what I typed in, they're going to now show me all the information or websites relevant to the keyword that I typed in. So that's crawling. They're going to crawl the entire internet, right? That's the first one. The second thing that they're going to do is take all the pages that they crawl and index them into a database. I'm going to pull this thing up here. They're going to index everything that they crawled into a database. And that's so they can organize, categorize, and store the information that they have identified. And the last part here is that they're going to rank. So they're going to take all that information, all those pages that they've identified, and they're going to start to organize those websites based on the relevance for this keyword here. So when somebody searches it, they're ideally going to get the very best results on the first page here. Now, if you've been on Google before, you know that Google has 10 pages, but nobody ever goes to any of these pages. You probably haven't or haven't very often. And so everything that I talk about here in this course is going to be designed to get you to rank here on this first page. Okay, but first I wanted to give you just a basic understanding of how search engines work. Remember, they crawl your website, then they index your website into the database, and then they rank your website based on all the information that they crawl and how they think your website stacks up or how relevant it is to certain keywords or queries that someone is searching for. And later on in this course, I'm going to give you the exact strategies that I use to rank websites and to get them to rank on the first page. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next segment. But for now, that's exactly how search engines work, or that's a simplified version of how search engines work. All right. See you in the next video.